What can we expect in this class? Well, as I told you, I love eating Vietnamese food. I've traveled there and all I did was eat. So today, I'm going to show you what I've eaten there, what I've learned about Vietnamese cuisine. Making your own pho is not very difficult, but you have to follow each step properly to gain a flavorful, robust broth made from scratch. And each pho is made differently. Like the beef pho, we're gonna make it in a pressure cooker in less than 1 hour. But all the flavor is gonna be there, and you're gonna have plenty of texture in that bowl because we're using 3 kinds of beef. I'm putting in some tendons, some thinly sliced beef, and some braised shanks na sobrang lambot talaga. It's gonna be really, really good. And we're gonna top it all off with garnishes that pho is known for. Some lime, some vegetables and herbs, sriracha and hoisin sauce. The same with our chicken pho. We're gonna make the pho from scratch, but I'm gonna make it the traditional way and show you how to do it. We're gonna use chicken thighs to make it really, really tender and really, really nice. And we're gonna top it all off again with all of that nice garnishes for your pho. For the next 2 recipes, we're gonna make 2 kinds of spring rolls. The first one is the fresh one that we're gonna serve with 2 sauces as well. A peanut hoisin sauce and the traditional nuoc mam sauce. The fresh spring roll is vibrant and fresh. It's gonna be stuffed with fresh herbs and vegetables and a poached shrimp, a perfectly poached shrimp. The next one is simply everyone's favorite from kids of all ages. So we're gonna fry Vietnamese spring rolls stuffed with shrimp and pork and other vegetables. Again, we're gonna serve this with the traditional Vietnamese sauce, nuoc mam. So Vietnamese food has been so popular that actually you can find most of the ingredients in the grocery already. Like the spring roll wrappers, some of the fresh herbs you can find in the grocery, and even in sa mga palengke. Finding all these ingredients shouldn't be a problem. We purchase mostly in the groceries, so you shouldn't have any problem. The technique that I employed here is not really difficult as long as you just follow the step-by-step of each procedure. You will have the best experience at home, made from scratch, Vietnamese recipes. Come take a journey to Vietnam with me and eat some of the most comforting foods that I enjoy so much. So I'll see you in our class only here at the Bailiwick Academy.